In an environment where stock prices fluctuate wildly and markets are volatile, the bold decision to purchase Tesla stock at a discount, about $130, and share it with the world attracted the attention of thousands of experts worldwide. However, they have since issued a warning that could send shockwaves through the Tesla community because the stakes are high and the future is uncertain. Join us today as we explore the experts' most optimistic predictions. Learn the key elements affecting Tesla's future, such as the effect of financing rates, and finally, it's time to buckle up and see where the tested journey takes us. Experts are waving red flags hinting that Tesla stock might take a note dive, with the $200 or even $175 weight possibly flirting with the dreaded $100 mark. Hold tight as we explore both sides of the story, the bulls and the bears, learning how to navigate the turbulent waters of the stock market and uncovering why some believe now is the perfect time to invest in Tesla. Mark, not everything is sunshine and rainbows. The stock price may encounter difficulties due to the bleak short-term forecast for Tesla. However, what is generating this volatility? It's interesting to note that experts are hinting that investors may have a special opportunity during this difficult period. Yes, you heard correctly, an opportunity. They think that amid the chaos, the price might drop to between $100 and $200, providing room for shrewd investors to strike it lucky. You know how they say that opportunities like these don't last long? Well, that's the reality. My friends who were once investors in Tesla bears at a much lower price were disappointed because the stock didn't drop as much as they had feared, and many of them missed the opportunity to buy in at the right time. Take Chicken Genius, for example. He boldly predicted that Tesla would crash to $140, and guess what? That turned out. But he also saw an even darker feature, with prices potentially dropping to $60 or $80. Do you foresee, according to our expert, Tesla is going through some difficult times, which they describe as quite concerning in the short term. But why imagine this? There is a low backlog, which is seriously disrupting the Tesla pool. However, there is more to this disorder than meets the eye, as our expert reveals. Originally, the delivery date for Tesla models in the US was estimated to be July to August, but it has now been rescheduled to August to September. Let's talk about the present interest rates, which are a big worry for Tesla and its prospective customers. With rates rising, getting a car loan has become more difficult for many. This is awful news for Tesla, particularly since their goal is to sell millions of cars annually. Due to the skyrocketing interest rates, Tesla has opened up its market to the middle class. But as more and more people attempt to get loans for their ideal Tesla, financial institutions are shut down one after another, making it harder and harder for them to afford the car they want. Imagine this situation. About a year ago, our eager investors had their sights set on the sleek and impressive Model X. Everything appeared to be going according to plan for their dream car purchase, but just as excitement peaked, the dreaded interest rates started to rise, causing tremors in the stock market and leaving our investors with a difficult decision to make. With the alluring Model X dreams in one hand and the growing pile of Tesla stock in the other, their dilemma was obvious. Rather than confronting the Model X with those sky-high interest rates, they chose to feed their passion for Tesla by acquiring even more of its stock despite this uncertain situation. These kinds of market strategy decisions are essential for investors who want to maximize their potential gains. Although the trajectory of Tesla stock remains uncertain, investors' passion and dedication will undoubtedly propel the company forward. And who can blame them when the market presents an opportunity to purchase additional Tesla shares? It's like having a golden ticket to the Willy Wonka factory. But wait, the story doesn't end there. As the investors' enthusiasm for Tesla grew, destiny knocked on their door once more. An opportunity to purchase a Model 11 presented itself, and they jumped at the chance, but financing the purchase would force them to pay cash or finance the entire amount of 11. That's the big question, and our investors are carefully weighing their options. On the one hand, they want to stockpile more Tesla shares while the prices are still relatively low. But on the other hand, they're tempted by the allure of the Model 11 and the thrill of operating the newest Tesla innovation as they navigate the financial maze. Our investors are keeping an eye on the future, knowing that the next few quarters may not be all sunshine and roses for Tesla, which could cause fluctuations in the stock price. Nevertheless, they remain steadfast in their determination not to create a taxable event and avoid trying to time the market. Instead, they want to weather the storm and hang on to their Tesla stocks until let's talk about the Cybertruck and automotive marvel, which are creating quite the buzz. But wait, did you know it's coming? Get ready for this revolutionary addition to the Tesla lineup. The first few quarters of any new vehicle launch may not be the most profitable, but don't worry. This beast of a truck is expected to significantly increase tax revenues in 2024. Images of this Tesla, the trailblazing company we all know and love, are sure to excite investors and enthusiasts alike. The last time Tesla unveiled a new product was back in 2000, when the Model I hit the roads in January. It was like fireworks bursting in the night sky, soaring higher and higher. Fast forward denial, and we're in for another spectacle with the launch of the Cybertrucks. Get ready for this amazing performance that is about to begin, and don't miss the inevitable thrill ride. But here's the twist. Despite the exciting Cybertruck debut that saw over 2 million reservations, Wall Street isn't completely convinced just yet. Some doubtful minds wonder if reservation holders will back out or if it's too expensive. But hold on to your hats. If the Cybertruck lives up to the hype, Wall Street might quickly change its mind and sing a different tune. It's an exciting time while we wait for the money to come in and the true potential to be revealed. Now, let's take a peek behind the scenes of the stock market. In the midst of this exciting journey, our brave investor considers short-term uncertainty. They are well aware that Tesla stock could face a bumpy ride with potential jobs of up to 50 or more during a tough recession, but they remain undeterred, convinced the Cybertruck holds immense upside potential. Tesla is currently trading at 54 forward peak, roughly 3x with the average market trades at based on 2024 projections. It might sound mind-boggling, but fear not, for Tesla's growth prospects are nothing short of stellar. Brace yourselves for the ride as Tesla's poised to grow a staggering 5 or more, outpacing the average stock revenue and EPS growth rates. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Tesla's upcoming Cybertruck and its impact on the stock. Are you bullish on Tesla's growth prospects, or do you have reservations about the company's journey ahead? Share your insights and join the conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News to stay updated on all things Tesla and the exciting developments in the world of technology and finance. Only time will tell. As investors, we must navigate through the stock's twists and turns, holding on to our conviction in Tesla's long-term potential. Thank you very much for watching, and until we cross paths again, let's keep examining the fascinating world of Tesla together.